Hello students, welcome to KitKat Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 3. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from KitKat Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channels so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is add these in the following. So simply the question is giving you in the fraction form or in division form. So you have two digits in one value, one is numerator and other is denominator. So numerator we call upper value and denominator we have called lower value. So we can common three or both denominator, that is 8. So we can 8 is common and we can add the value 1, 3 and 4. So 1 plus 3 4 and 4 and 4 8. So our solution is 8 upon 8. Number second part of the question is 3 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9. So simply you can take common the denominator as 9 and add the upper values 3 plus 2 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 we have 5 and 5 plus 2 we have 7. So our solution is 7 upon 9. Second question is solve these. So our question is 7 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9. So again we have a subtraction with a fraction or division form. So simply we can take the denominator common as 9 and 7 minus 2 we have 5. So our answer is 5 upon 9. Next part of this question 8 upon 10 minus 2 upon 10. So again we can take the denominator common as 10 and subtract the numerators as 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 we have 6. So our solution is 6 upon 10. So next question is solve the following. So simply we can find the 1 upon 2 means half of 12 centimeter. So we can multiply 1 into 12 then divide it by 2. So 1 into 12 we have answered 12. So 12 divided by 2 we have answered 6. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So half of the 12 is 6 centimeter. Number second question is 1/3 of 30 grams. So simply we can multiply 1 into 30 then divide it by 3 to find the 1/3 of 30 grams. So 1 into 30 we have answered 30 then divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 10s are 30. So our solution is 10 grams. So 1/3 of 30 grams is 10 grams. Number next part of this question 1/4 of 24 ml. So again we can multiply 1 into 24 then divide it by 4 to find the 1/4 of 24 ml. So 1 into 24 we have answered 24 then divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 6 are 24. So we have answer of 1/4 of 24 ml is 6 ml. So next part of this question 1/9 of 54 ml. So again we can multiply 1 into 54 then divide it by 9. So 1 multiplied by 54 we have answer 54 then 9. So 9 we have counting the table of 9. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 6 are 54. So our solution is 6 ml. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning as 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you next topic. Thank you.